Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks, and this is a little video on running your 3D files at a lower DPI. So I ran that little file right there, I ran it two different ways. I ran it at 600 dots per inch, which I normally do, and I ran this one at 400 dots per inch, at both of them at 100 power and 10 speed. Now, not only does it look just as good, it's less burnt, and also it saved time. This one took 4 minutes and 12 seconds to run. This one took 2 minutes and 53 seconds to run. So about a minute 20 less. Now this is what it looks like after sandblasting. I think it actually maybe even looks better. This is the grain of the wood. This has nothing to do with the sandblasting. At first I thought it was a sandblasting doing that, but it's actually in the picture before the sandblasting. Or that's at least my belief. And this is hard maple, and all woods are going to act a little bit different. I'm going to start trying some softer maple or some softer woods that don't have as much grain and see what the difference is. So run your 3D items at a lower DPI. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.